Today, we are going to share how to treat dandruff and itchy scalp at home with neem oil. Later, in this video, we will also explain why neem oil is the best home remedy to remove dandruff from hair. So make sure to pay close attention to every second of this video as we are going to start. For this home remedy, you will need 2 to 3 drops of neem oil and 2 to 3 drops of coconut oil. Now, what you have to do is mix the neem and coconut oils. Afterwards, massage this oil blend onto your scalp and leave it on for 30 to 45 minutes. Now, wash your hair thoroughly with plain water. For best results, you have to repeat this method 2 to 3 times a week. Note: you can also boil a few neem leaves in water and use it to rinse your hair. Now, the question is, why neem oil is the best home remedy to remove dandruff from hair? Here's the answer to the question. Neem oil's antifungal properties can help treat dandruff. It is effective against dandruff-causing fungi, including Candida and Malassezia. Its active constituent is Nimbidin that has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. Nimbidin helps suppress scalp inflammation and treats psoriasis, dermatitis, and other forms of scalp irritation. Many anti-dandruff shampoos come with neem oil formulations. Note: for those who are prone to dandruff, neem oil should be used regularly. It maintains the pH balance of the scalp and prevents dandruff formation. In our upcoming video, we will share how to get rid of dandruff overnight at home with lemon juice. So stay tuned. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.